It is a pleasure and an honor to be with you virtually on the occasion of the ILO Global Leaders Day. I am Laurent Frex, Nestlé CEO for the Americas, Chair of the Global Alliance for Youth and Chair of GAN, the Global Apprenticeship Network. Today, we are living unprecedented times. The coronavirus pandemic has rapidly triggered a deep economic and social crisis, probably the worst in modern times. The most vulnerable, in particular young people, are the most impacted by the consequences of this multidimensional crisis. Many will not be able to finish their studies, and for most it will be a struggle to enter or re-enter the labor market or to start their own business. Communities cannot be sustainable and thrive if they fail to offer a future for younger generation, and especially if they fail to offer opportunities for economic integration. Half of the world's population is under the age of 30. We cannot afford and we cannot accept to have a lost generation, and this is what is at stake. In this context, business has a critical role to play. Business has the power to offer work-based learning opportunities, which is the best form of learning, combining theory with practice. Apprenticeships improve the employability of young people and prepare them for the jobs that companies need. And if each and every company, small or big, would employ at least one additional apprentice or trainee, millions of new opportunities could be provided. Businesses are the main source of job offerings. And in a context of technological revolution, it makes sense to recruit young people to tackle what is both a challenge and an opportunity. Additionally, companies can support young entrepreneurs through integrating them into their value chain when and where it makes sense. We are living times that require bold and decisive actions. The environmental sustainability goals are very high on the global agenda, and rightly so. But let's make sure the economic and social sustainability dimensions are not forgotten and achieve the same level of priority. Communities can only be sustainable and peaceful when successfully integrating the young generation. Let me highlight a few concrete examples of what can be done. Due to the crisis, technical vocational education and on-the-job training are suffering massive disruptions. In this context, GAN's mission to promote work-based learning is more relevant than ever. GAN is a multi-stakeholder, business-driven coalition with a powerful membership, global leading companies, the ILO, the IOE, and the OECD. GAN plays a critical role in reframing how work-based learning can take place in pandemic times. The good news is that we have solutions. We can move to digital platforms. We are doing it at Nestlé in many countries already, with recruiting and onboarding young people virtually with online lectures, online mentoring and coaching sessions. We are also supporting our supply chain, both suppliers and customers, and young entrepreneurs. They are a source of innovation, value creation, and of job opportunities. Today, more than ever, we need a whole of society response with governments, academic institutions, private sector, and the youth working together to find solutions and to implement them. I know that companies are looking at their cost structure and at their investments, and this is understandable. However, if we want to collectively avoid falling into a vicious circle of a prolonged decline, only a balanced response will work. This response should involve both productivity efforts as well as investments in new capabilities, in new technologies, as well as in skilling, reskilling, and upskilling the workforce. This is the only path to sustainable and profitable growth. This is the only way out of the crisis. Thank you.